Hi, welcome to Let It Simmer and let's make grapes and basil cake today. The first step is to grease our cake mold. So I'll just put a little oil there and grease it generously. Mold all the way till the top. Now we'll keep this aside. Next, we will take the dry ingredients. Second step, I have 1 cup of flour here. I'm adding 1 more cup to it. 2 cups of flour. To that, I'm adding half a teaspoon flat of baking powder, quarter teaspoon flat of baking soda. We'll just sieve the three together. The third step is here I have 1/3 cup of milk, regular milk. To that I'm adding 1/3 cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon good vanilla essence. If it's good, you can do with less, and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a 1/3 cup of oil, any vegetable oil. You can even use olive oil. We'll mix this up and keep it aside. Third are the grapes. Just chop them roughly. You can use mixed grapes. Make sure that they are seedless, and a 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh basil. If you are using dry basil, make it half a tablespoon. Here I have 4 room temperature eggs. They're medium sized egg, not very large. To the eggs, I'm adding 1 cup sugar plus a little more because the grapes are sour. And we'll whisk this till the sugar is incorporated in the egg and the eggs are quite fluffy. Here goes. When the eggs are quite fluffy and pale, we will reduce the speed and add our oil and milk mixture. We'll give it a whisk once. There. At low speed, we'll add this. As soon as the milk and oil is mixed, we'll turn off the egg beater. We don't need this anymore. Now we need is a rubber spatula or a silicone spatula. We are going to add the dry ingredients, that is our flour and the baking powder and baking soda. 1/3 at a time. Just rain it into the egg mix. Don't dump it all together, and cut and fold gently. This is the motion which keeps the cake soft and fluffy and aerated. This time we can also add the grapes. These are 1.5 cups of grapes and 1 tablespoon basil leaves, fresh basil, and mix. That's it. How easy is it? Just 1, 2, 3 steps and the cake is done. Batter is ready. It's ready to be poured into the mold and baked. Bake at 180 degrees C for 45 minutes. The cake is baked to perfection. Let's loosen it a little from all sides. And unmold it. Beautiful. top with some icing sugar and chopped grapes and enjoy the unique flavors of this cake. Thank you.